Hello, let's talk about YouTube thumbnails and making them in Canva. I like using Canva because Canva has a lot of great templates and it is very user-friendly. Making a great YouTube thumbnail will get your video noticed. So let's begin.
So on the left-hand side, you have templates. Of course, the search bar. There's elements, which you can search any element that you want. Like if you wanted to, say you wanted a flower to add to your design, a flower would show up. Here are the uploads. So as you can see, these are all the different files and pictures that I've uploaded from my own computer. And here you have text. So you have a bunch of different text styles that you can use that are already templates, which are really great. The styles, which is like, you know, your color palettes and your of course, and the script and fonts that you can choose from as well. And there's a lot of different you know, styles that they do have, and you know, different color palettes here. And if you wanted to add a GIF or a GIF, I don't know, everyone pronounces it differently. They have emojis that you can get out on there. And if you wanted to, you can create your own QR code. We're not going to be using this for this video, but this is you know, it's great to know about Canva. And of course, my designs that I already have. These are all things that I've made for my website. Logos that I have sitting in there that you know, if you upload you can upload all your logos on there, which makes it easier to use and find. And then folders. And of course, there is the more. So there's a lot more things that you can explore in Canva itself. So as you can see, I'm already been working on something, but it's not what we're going to show you today. So we're going to open up a new file, create a new design, and let's search for YouTube thumbnail. And when you see it pop up, you can just click on it right there. And it'll show up as a blank design if you do it this way. And on your left hand side here, you will see a bunch of templates. If you don't know what you want, this is a great place to start. You're going to start with any kind of templates. I like bright ones because that's going to grab a lot of attention. And I see one that I like right here because I like the gradients in the background. Great color choice. There are elements on here which I do not want, so I am going to select these and just get rid of them because they're not going to be helpful for what I want for this thumbnail. So a great thing is to have a picture of yourself usually, and I like to do that. I have a bunch of pictures here that I'm going to go through. I like this one because I look quizzical, so I'm going to upload it right to Canva. And I'm going to select on it, and as you can see, it kind of takes up the whole space. And I'm going to use my favorite feature on here, which is background remover. Now you have to have a pro subscription for Canva to use this, and that's the only reason why I bought the pro, is because I loved using it. So I'm going to move this around a little bit to a position that I like it in. Right here on the left-hand bottom side is perfect. And now I'm going to use their text that they already have on here, but I'm just going to edit it, put my own text in. So I think it looks good all in white. I'm going to adjust. One of the reasons why I like using Canva a lot is because of the, it's very user-friendly.
I really hope that this video helped you, because I really like using Canva. It's simple, it's fast, and like I said before, they have a lot of great templates. So hope this helped you on your journey. I know it helped me on mine when I learned how to use Canva to create great YouTube thumbnails, and also there's a lot of other templates on there, and I will show you more in other videos. If you need a link for Canva, it's below in the description. Hope you have an awesome day.